The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency wishes to update you and the Nigerian public about the recent Arabia over allegations of drug trafficking. You will recall that we briefed you here in this hall precisely on Monday, 25th August 2025, on the unfortunate incident and efforts being made by the agency following complaints to the chairman chief executive of the agency from 3 Nigerian families against the detention of their family members in Saudi Arabia after the completion of their lesser Hajj on an allegation of trafficking in illicit substances into the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You will also recall that the 3 Nigerians involved in this allegation boarded an Ethiopian airline flight ET940, which departed Kano on 6 August 2025 at about 15:50 hours to Jeddah en route Saudi Arabia with a total of 140 passengers. Out of this number, 24 proceeded to get to Addis Ababa. Out of this number, out of the total number, 24 proceeded from Addis Ababa to Jeddah, and out of the 24 passengers, 3 were unfortunate to be tagged with additional bags not belonging to them, all of which were found to contain illicit drug substances. The 3 persons affected by this dastardly act, like we informed you before, are Mrs. Mariam Hussein Abdullahi, Mrs. Abdullahi Bahija Aminu, and Mr. Abdulhamid Sadiq. You will also recall that to unravel the true facts of the cases, the chairman chief executive officer of the agency caused an investigation to be conducted into the cases, the outcome of which revealed that a syndicate operating at the Mallam Aminu Kano International Airport, Kano, that is Makia, had tagged bags containing illicit drugs with the names of the 3 unsuspecting Nigerians who were later arrested in Saudi for alleged drug trafficking. The probe led to the arrest, that is, all our efforts thereafter, led to the arrest of 55-year-old drug kingpin Mohammed Ali Abubakar, alias Bello Karama, and 3 other members of the syndicate, including the airline officials behind the shipment of the illicit substances for which the 3 innocent Nigerians were arrested and detained in Jeddah. Charges had since been filed against Mohammed Ali Abubakar and other members of the syndicate who are namely Celestina Emmanuel Yayok, Abdulbasit Adamu Sagagi, and Jazuli Kaba. Armed with the outcome of NDLEA investigation and charges filed against members of the syndicate as well as other evidences to prove the innocence of the 3 Nigerian pilgrims, our chairman chief executive General Mara had engaged with his Saudi counterpart at multiple levels and different locations, including in Saudi Arabia, in compliance with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's agenda that no Nigerian suffers unjustly in a foreign land. We are therefore happy to inform you that following the series of engagements, one of the 3 Nigerians was released from custody on Sunday, the 14th September, and the remaining 2 on Monday, 15th September 2025, just 2 days ago. As we speak, they will be arriving in Nigeria anytime shortly. We therefore seize this opportunity to express the chairman chief executive officer's happiness over this development, while he commended his counterpart at the Saudi GDNC, that's General Directorate of Narcotics Control, for upholding the essence of the Memorandum of Understanding between NDLEA and GDNC on collaboration and partnership. We'd like to reiterate our commitment that Nigeria will never abandon its citizens, especially when the facts clearly show that they are victims of criminal conspiracies as established in this case. We again assure the public of the agency's unwavering commitment to fight the scourge of substance abuse and illicit drug trafficking in the country with no sacred cows in our enforcement duties, which can be attested to by the number of high-profile arrests, seizures, and convictions, as well as forfeitures recorded so far. Conversely, we will also not support the innocent being punished for crimes they did not commit, especially as in this case. In the words of our Chairman Chief Executive, General Mara, the biggest support of our effort in this case came from President Tinubu himself, who is committed to ensuring that every Nigerian gets their deserved respect and fair treatment wherever they are across the world. And that is what has come to play in this case, that no Nigerian is unjustly punished for crimes they know nothing about anywhere in the world. We equally appreciate the assistance provided by the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Prince Lateef Olasukomi-Fagbemi, SAN, the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Yusuf Tuga, and the Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Mr. Festus Keyamo, SAN, as well as the National Security Advisor, Mallam Nuhu Ribadu, who were with us all the way on this matter. We'd like to appreciate you, gentlemen, for listening and for coming. Thank you very much and good morning.